90-degree angle. Provides the flexibility to run coaxial cables through tight spaces and where the connector is not easily accessible, ideal for wall-mounted TVs. Prevents damage and performance loss. The right-angle design helps to prevent long-term damage to your cable and performance loss due to bending of the cable. Easy installation. The simple screw-on installation makes assembly and disassembly effortless. Male to female connector. F-type cable compatible. This coax adapter is compatible with all brands of RG59 and RG6 F-type coaxial cables, audio-video. Top reviews from the United States. Just get it. After hooking up, I reran my channel list with my antenna, and got twice as many channels as I had before. The channels were all very clear. I, then, bought the 10-pack to install on all of my TVs. Well worth it. The only option to connect for wall-mounted TVs. TV is so tight to the wall that cannot screw the cable on. With this, you can just push the cable to connect firmly.